By leveraging the right AI writing assistants, you can increase your content output by up to 500%. The best part is that these tools are now more accessible than ever, with many offering free versions or trials. You will learn about the top AI writing assistants that can revolutionize your content creation process, from generating ideas to finalizing your content. ChatGPT is an AI tool that generates human-like text based on your input, and a real-world use case is using it to write social media posts. For example, a quick tip is to use specific keywords to get more relevant results. Next up is Claude, a writing assistant that helps with grammar and syntax. A real-world use case is editing a blog post, and a quick tip is to use its suggestions to improve your writing tone. Number 3 is Midjourney, which is an AI tool that generates images from text. A real-world use case is creating thumbnails for your videos, and a quick tip is to use descriptive words to get the desired image. Here is a powerful one, DALL-E, which generates high-quality images from text prompts. A real-world use case is creating custom graphics for your website, and a quick tip is to experiment with different styles to find the one that fits your brand. Canva is a popular graphic design tool that now includes AI-powered features, such as generating text and images. A real-world use case is creating social media graphics, and a quick tip is to use its templates to save time. Notion AI is a tool that helps with research and organization. A real-world use case is creating a knowledge base for your content, and a quick tip is to use its tagging system to categorize your notes. ElevenLabs is an AI tool that generates voiceovers for your videos. A real-world use case is creating explainer videos, and a quick tip is to use its tone and pitch adjustment features to match your brand's voice. Runway is a tool that generates videos from text prompts. A real-world use case is creating short social media videos, and a quick tip is to use its customization options to add your logo and branding. Perplexity is an AI research tool that helps with finding and organizing information. A real-world use case is researching topics for your content, and a quick tip is to use its filtering options to narrow down your search results. Leonardo AI is a tool that generates text and images based on your input. A real-world use case is creating blog posts, and a quick tip is to use its suggestions to improve your writing style. Gamma is an AI tool that generates music and audio tracks. A real-world use case is creating background music for your videos, and a quick tip is to use its mood and genre options to match your content's tone. Suno is a tool that generates voiceovers and audio tracks. A real-world use case is creating podcasts, and a quick tip is to use its noise reduction features to improve audio quality. To recap, we've covered ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, Notion AI, ElevenLabs, Runway, Perplexity, Leonardo AI, Gamma, and Suno, all of which are powerful AI writing assistants that can help you streamline your content creation process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, as this is part 11 of our free AI tools series. And by subscribing, you'll catch part 12, where we'll explore even more game-changing AI tools to take your content to the next level.